Today, we're diving into a sort of a mystery aspect in the world of space agencies, specifically the logos of these agencies. These logos very commonly use a triangular shape, like a V or an upside down V, or what some people call a delta or vector symbol. From NASA to Russia's Roscosmos, even military contractors like Lockheed Martin, this symbol seems to be a recurring theme. But why? What's the connection? Why do they use this design? The delta symbol, resembling an inverted triangle, has been a prevalent theme in the logos of various space agencies around the world. One of the most iconic examples, of course, is NASA's logo, which apparently is supposed to symbolize aeronautics and the exploration of outer space. But NASA isn't the only one to use this, not by far. Japan, Russia, China, India, Brazil, Algeria, South and North Korea, and so many more incorporate some form of the delta symbol in their logos. Not all of the space agencies of the world use a variation of this symbol, but there is enough of them, and a lot of them, enough to catch my attention, and it's difficult for me to just ignore this coincidence. So what's the symbolism behind this delta shape? The delta symbol traditionally represents change or transformation. In the context of space agencies, it's supposed to embody the spirit of progress, innovation, and exploration. It signifies a monumental leap humanity takes when venturing into the worlds of unknown outer space. Furthermore, the delta shape resembles an arrowhead, sorta, and that suggests direction and forward movement, indicating the agency's commitment to pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and reaching for the stars. While most of the space agencies opt for the delta symbol, the newly established U.S. Space Force has taken a slightly different approach. They've adopted a triangle-shaped logo, and they seem to love it because they're plastering it on everything from uniforms to spacecrafts to vehicles. It's all over the place if you're at Space Force. Or if you look up Space Force, you'll find this logo. And it will look pretty familiar to you, probably, because it is apparent, well, I should say it appears that they have just basically copied it straight off Star Trek. It looks very close to that. Why? I don't know. Supposedly, the choice of a triangle for the Space Force could symbolize strength, stability, hierarchy, reflecting the Space Force's role as a military branch responsible for protecting the U.S. interests in space. But now let's talk about Lockheed Martin, one of the world's largest aerospace and defense contractors. Take a look at their logo, and you'll notice something familiar again. Two intersecting V-shapes this time. Two. One of the most obvious uses of this design is Lockheed Martin. Now, Lockheed Martin, they claim that their logo symbolizes their focus on aviation and aerospace technology, while also evoking notions of speed, precision, and innovation. Moreover, the intersecting V's could represent collaboration and partnership, highlighting Lockheed Martin's role in working with various space agencies and governments to advance space exploration. Well, that's what they claim.